Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete series for upcoming UGC-NET examination for 2023. In this particular series, we are discussing for paper 1. In this paper 1 topic, we are starting up with profit and loss in lecture number 4. So before moving into the video friends, I'd like to tell you that for UGC NET exam 2023, the complete course has been launched for paper 1, which contains following features. Here you will be provided with the live lectures, video lectures on all the unit, 60 plus mock tests will be provided to you, and last 10 years PYQs will be also provided with 2000 plus MCQs question bank. All these features are provided in the course fees of just 4,500 rupees. Simply you have to go and download the Global Online app or contact us on this particular given WhatsApp number, which is 9766066858. Nextly, you have to follow this following 3 steps for the enrollment of the course. Install the Global Online application from the Play Store. Once you will install and open this app, you will find such interface. In this particular interface, there is an icon called as Store. Click on the store icon. You will move to the pages called as My Courses page. In this My Courses page, you will find the search tab over there. Search UGC NET Paper 2 or Paper 1, whichever the course you want to, and you will come across these particular courses. The courses will be displayed here and fees will be also displayed along with it. So basically this is how you have to enroll the courses. Nextly, the UGC NET 2023 paper 1's overview consists of the following things that I have already discussed before the beginning of this particular video, that it consists of daily live lectures, recorded lectures will be provided, 60 mock tests, full syllabus notes, last 10 years PYQs, 2000 plus MCQs PDF, and the content is provided you in both the languages, that is bilingual English and Hindi. Nextly, the content consists of following units. Here the unit number 1 is teaching aptitude, unit 2 is the research aptitude, unit 3 is the reading comprehension, unit 4 is communication, unit 5 is mathematical reasoning, unit 6 is the logical reasoning. Other than that, if you want the content, you will provided with the video lectures, full syllabus mock test, 2000 plus MCQs PDF, previous year question papers, scholarship tests. If you want to go for Hindi and English course, this will be provided by Ankita Sood ma'am. Okay, if you want the course exclusively in Hindi, this will be provided by Priyanka ma'am, and the course completely in English will be provided to you by the Pripti ma'am. So this is how you have to get enrolled into the courses. Okay, so this was the introductory part. Now let's move on to the important part of today's lecture, that is the important formulas that we have to discuss in this particular topic of profit and loss. So what are the formulas that you have to keep in mind? Let us discuss that first. Whenever you are starting up with the topic profit and loss, you have to know the two terms. Very first is the profit and the second one is loss. Okay, suppose if you are buying one t-shirt, for 100 rupees, and this particular t-shirt you started selling at rupees 80. Okay, you bought at rupees 100 and you have to sell it at rupees 80. Here you can clearly see that whatever the t-shirt you have brought is of rupees 100, whose value is greater than that of the t-shirt you are selling out, that is rupees for 80, right? So whenever you are buying any stuff, you are buying any good or a product, the buying price is called as the cost price. The cost which you are paying to buy one particular product or a particular article is called as cost price, that is CP. Nextly, whatever the product you are selling, article you are selling out, the value that you get is called as selling price, also called as SP. Okay, so selling price and cost price are the two terms that you should know over here. Okay, what is the cost price? Cost price is the value which you are paying to buy one particular product for yourself, and selling price is something or the amount that you are paying for one particular product. This is the difference between the cost price and the selling price. Okay, whenever, let me rub this out. For example, if the cost price is rupees 100 and selling price is rupees 60. Okay, here clearly what we can see is the cost price is greater than that of the selling price. Whenever the cost price is greater than that of the selling price, it means you are going through the loss. Okay, and if the cost price, now alter these terms, if the cost price is rupees 60 and the selling price is rupees 100, here you can clearly see that selling price is greater than the cost price. It means you will come across profit. Okay, so profit and loss are completely depending upon what? Cost price and the selling price. If the selling price is greater than that of the cost price, it means you will have the profit, and if the cost price is greater than that of the selling price, it means you are coming across the loss. Okay, so these were the two terms. Now let us discuss now some of the important formulas regarding profit and loss. So the very first formula will be profit, that we have already seen, will be equal to SP, that is selling price, minus cost price. The second formula is for loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. These are the two formulas. Okay, besides this, if they ask us to calculate what is the profit percentage, if they are asking to calculate us the profit in terms of percentage, okay, so how can we calculate? Formula is profit upon cost price into 100 percentage will be the formula for the profit percentage. Similarly, for the loss percentage, the formula is loss upon cost price into 100 percentage. So these are the two formulas if we have to calculate the profit and loss in terms of percentage. Okay, so for profit percentage and calculating loss percentage, one thing that you can clearly see over here is that cost price is used as the base. Okay, cost price is used as the base to calculate the profit percentage or the loss percentage. So if the cost price is given simply and we have to calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage, we can clearly calculate it by using this particular two formulas. Okay, so nextly, these were the two formulas. Again, some of the formulas which are important are like, very first one is selling price. Okay, if we have to calculate the selling price, what you will do is, if profit is given and we have to calculate the selling price, if profit is given in the question, and we have to calculate the selling price, and also the cost price is given in the question. Profit is given, cost price is given, and they're asking us to find the selling price. So selling price will be 100 plus profit percentage upon 100, that is into cost price. Okay, similarly CP, if in question profit is given, now cost price is given, selling price is given, and they're asking us to find the cost price. In first term, what it was, in the first formula, what we have seen, if the profit is given, cost price is given, and they're asking us to find out the selling price. But now what is given here? They have given us the selling price, they're asking us to find the cost price, and profit is given. For that, the formula will be 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage into selling price. So So we have seen two formulas over here. Whenever the profit is given and they're asking us to find the selling price and cost price is also given in the question, that time the formula is SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price, and they're asking us if to find the cost price, if selling price and profit percentage is given in the question, the formula will be 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into the selling price. Okay, this was the formula for the cost price and the selling price whenever the profit is given. Now if in question they are giving us loss percentage and they are asking us to calculate selling price or cost price, at that time what we have to use, what kind of formula we have to use, let us see that. Okay, loss percentage is given in the question and they are asking us to find the cost price, and selling price is given in the question, they're asking us to find the CP. For that, what is the formula? CP will be 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the cost price whenever the selling price and loss percentage is given. Same formula to calculate the selling price whenever loss percentage and cost price is given into the question. For that, selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 into cost price, that is CP, is the answer to the question. These are the two formulas that you have to keep in mind regarding calculation of the selling price or cost price if loss percentage is given, or if profit percentage is given in the question, or selling price or the cost price is given in the question. This is how we calculate. Nextly, these were the two formulas. One more formula is for discount. Discount is nothing but, simply write it down, discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Okay, we'll come across all these formulas whenever such kind of questions will come. Okay, so let us discuss the question now. Question given is Ankit is buying one's old sofa for rupees 4,700. He has also spent 800 rupees on its repair. If he sells the sofa for 5,800, his gain percentage will be. So simply here his cost price for sofa is given, that is 4,700. He is spending how much of rupees? He is spending 4,700 of rupees. It means that it is the cost price. Okay, also on that, what we can see is 800 rupees he is spending on the repair. So the total CP, total cost price, will be cost price 1 plus cost price 2. Okay, whatever he is paying on the repairing also is nothing but it is a cost price. Look, one thing, whenever we are discussing about the cost price, one thing you should keep in mind, whatever the money that is going out from your pocket is nothing but the cost price. Okay, and whatever the money is coming into your pocket is nothing but it is the selling price. Okay, so simply here you are spending 4,700 for a second hand sofa, on that you are repairing the sofa for 800 rupees. It means there are two cost price for two things you are paying over here, for the old sofa and for its repairing. So the cost price will be 4,700 plus 800, that is equal to 5,500. So the total CP calculated here is 5,500 rupees. Also he is selling the sofa, he is selling it out, so the selling price will be what? 5,800 rupees. Okay, so simply here we can see that selling price is greater than that of the cost price. It means we are gaining some kind of a profit over here. It means 5,800 minus 5,500, which is equal to 300 rupees. This will be the gain. Okay, but what is given into the question, they are asking us to calculate the gain percentage. How we can calculate for that? Look here, first thing, old sofa cost price is 4,700 and he's spending another 800 rupees for its repairing, right? So the total cost price will be 4,700 plus 800, that is equal to 5,500 rupees. This is the total cost price. Okay, so selling price, he's spending 800 rupees on its repair, right? So 800 rupees is the, sorry, 800 rupees he's spending on its repair. Okay, it was the cost price itself. Now he's selling the sofa for 5800. It means 5800 is the selling price. This was the cost price, total cost price. This is the total selling price. So therefore profit, if we have to calculate, or we can say if we have to calculate the gain, what if we will do here is selling price minus the cost price, that is 5800 minus 5500 rupees, which is equal to 300 rupees. So rupees 300 is nothing but it is the gain. Now to calculate the profit percentage or the gain percentage, the formula is whatever the gain happened, that is selling price minus cost price, that was 300 rupees, upon total cost price, that is 5500 rupees, into 100 percentage. This is only the formula, right? Here what we have done, we have taken up in numerator selling price minus cost price, that is equal to the gain, that is 300 rupees, and in denominator we have taken the cost price into 100 percentage. This is the how we calculate the gain, right? 2020 got cancelled. Okay, simply what you have to do here, 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 0. Okay, whatever the answer will be, answer is like 11 5 by 5 by 11 percentage. This comes in the mixed fraction. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the gain percentage. First you have simply calculate the gain, finding the cost price, selling price, taking the difference of the selling price and cost price, and simply calculating the gain, and nextly you have calculated the gain percentage. Nextly the question given over here is we have to find the cost price of one gold ring given. Okay, when its selling price is given is 6400 rupees, loss given to us is 20 percentage. They are asking us to calculate the cost price. They are asking us to calculate the cost price. How come we can calculate this, ma'am? We can calculate this by following the following procedure. Here all you have to do is take the formula first. Okay, so before solving this question, I would like to give you again two more formulas. I think I have given this. If not, then please note it down. Okay, so this is finding the selling price when the cost price is given 100 plus profit upon 100. Okay, this is one formula. And for finding out the selling price whenever the loss is given, you have to simply do 100 minus loss upon 100. Okay, these are the two formulas. Please keep in mind. Here I will take the use of this profit wala formula. Okay, what is given whenever, sorry, loss wala formula, the loss is given actually, right? So the selling price is equal to cost price 100 minus loss upon 100 is the formula. Okay, what is the selling price given here? 6400. Write it down. Cost price is not given, let it be CP. 100 minus loss is given of 20%. Look, loss percentage is given of 20. Okay, so here upon 100, simply we have to calculate the CP. Take CP on one side. Okay, take all these terms on this side. Okay, let the CP on the other side. Okay, what you will do here is, this is 80 upon 100. 100 minus 20 is what? 80 upon 100. This will become 100 by 80. Numerators become denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Okay, so 100 upon 80, do it. 0 got cancelled. 8 8s are 64. 800 into 10 is nothing but 8000. So the cost price will be 8000. So this is the thing how we calculate by the traditional method or by the formula method. Now how to calculate it in the shortcut method? Look into the question now. Look, whenever they're asking us to calculate, the cost price or if the selling price. They're asking us to calculate this cost price or the selling price whenever loss percentage is given or the profit percentage is given into the question. Okay, whenever in question they're asking us to calculate the cost price or selling price, and what is given in the question is having loss percentage and profit percentage is given into the question. So at that time, if we have to calculate the cost price or selling price, then what kind of shortcut I'll use here, please look into that. Okay, shortcut is Now in question, what is given? Selling price is given. Selling price is what? Yes, 6,400 rupees. We have to find the cost price. Loss percentage is given is 20%. Okay, write CP on one side, write SP on the other side. CP is the cost price, selling price is the on the other side, right? Whenever we have such kind of data given into the question, requirement is what you have to consider one base value, and we'll consider that base value as rupees 100. Why are we considering rupees 100 as the base value? Look into that now. Here cost price is, for example, 100 rupees. On that 20% loss is occurring. 20% loss is occurring. It means that we are selling the particular product at rupees 80. Okay, why I'm considering rupees 100 as the base value? Because calculating percentage on rupees 100 will be easy for us. Okay, so I'm considering the base value as 100. And what is the loss on 100 rupees given is 20% loss is given. 20% loss is given. So I'm subtracting 20 from 100. It means 80 rupees is the selling price. Okay, now the second step that you have to follow over here is, whatever the selling price is given into the question, write it down, or whatever the cost price is given into the question, simply write in this particular column. This is for the selling price, this was for the cost price. Am I right? So simply just write it down. Here selling price is given into the question, that is 6,400. Cost price is not given into the question, let it be the question mark. Okay, now the third and the most important step is, here you have to calculate the, or here you have to perform the cross multiplication. First step, consider the cost price as rupees 100, calculate the loss percentage or the profit percentage given on rupees 100. Okay, whatever the cost price is given into the question, or whatever the selling price is given into the question, please write it down below. And nextly you have to perform the cross multiplication. Perform the cross multiplication. 100 into 6,400 is equal to question mark, that is selling price that we cost price that we have to find it out, into 80. So question mark is equal to 100 into 6,400 upon 80. This becomes 80 0 get cancelled, 8 8s are 64. It means 8,000 rupees is the cost price. This is how we use the shortcut method. Similarly, one kind of question I have given you again. So before that, I would like to tell you that for paper 2, the complete study material has been launched via Global Online. In this you will be provided with the compiled full syllabus notes and full syllabus MCQs. Okay, compiled notes and MCQs, most expected MCQs on the full syllabus, will be provided to you in this particular PDF compilation, whose subject are for example, management, economics, computer science, commerce, history, sociology, psychology, library science, philosophy, Marathi, law, English literature, physical education, geography, political science, social work, education, Hindi, public administration, and electronic science. From this, if you have any kind of your subject for paper 2, then you can follow this compilation and score maximum marks in the examination. This compilation is going to be very much beneficial for you. If you want to get enrolled to this particular compilation, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 9860464765 or 9766066858. You can simply WhatsApp us and get enrolled to this particular compilation. Okay, now here one more same example I have given. Same logic is used over here. Okay, same shortcut method you have to use. What is given now? A book was bought means cost price at rupees 420 and sold at a profit is given here, that is equal to 15%. We have to calculate the selling price. In the last question, loss percentage was given. Now profit percentage is given. Same, what you have to do, write one side CP, other side SP. CP, what we have to consider, the base value for CP. We have to consider the base value for CP is rupees 100. Now on 100 rupees, what is given? Profit of 15% is given. So calculate profit of 15%. Whenever we are calculating the profit, we have to add it in 100 rupees, and whenever we are calculating the loss, we have to subtract it from 100, right? So 115 will be the price at which we are selling that particular product at the profit of 15%. Okay, so Third step, most important, what you have to do is write down what is given into the question regarding the cost price and the selling price. Cost price given into the question is 420, selling price is not given, question mark. Simply you have to cross multiply these values over here. Okay, this is the third step. After cross multiplication, 100 into question mark is equal to 420 into 115. Okay, so value of the question mark will be 420 into 115 upon 100. Okay, so this is what 0 got cancelled here. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are again 10, 5 3s are 15, right? Similarly, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Calculate 21 into 23. The answer will be 483. This is how we have to calculate these kind of questions using this particular shortcut method. Why I have given you the formulas? I have given you the formulas to understand why the formulas are important. Whenever the shortcut is not applicable, then that time you have to go through the formulas. Okay, but such kind of shortcuts are beneficial if you are coming across like exams like UGC-NET and all, because you have less amount of time for that. These shortcut methods will be beneficial for you. So this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding the enrollment of the course, regarding the doubts whatever about the class and all, you can simply comment in the comment section. I'll surely reply to you. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. Have a great day everyone. Bye.